Hi guys, and welcome back to the Milk and Blush channel. So in this video we're going to be unboxing and clipping in our Superior set. This set comes in two lengths, including the 20 to 22 inch, which is 220 grams, and the 24 to 26 inch, which is 280 grams. The Superior set is a stitched weft set that's slightly thicker than the Deluxe and great if your hair is normal to medium thickness. It has 10 wefts, so it's super versatile, and you can use as many as you need until you get your desired thickness. If you're not a fan of the seamless style wefts but find the regular isn't thick enough for you, then this would be your best option. It's also a great set to pick up if you have long hair, as it will keep your lengths looking full from root to tip, and is available in our two longest lengths. This is our model Shannon. She has mid-length hair and wants to add some extra thickness and length that looks totally natural. She went for the 20 to 22 inch Superior set in the shade Parisian Dreams, which was a perfect match. So if you're new to Milk and Blush hair extensions, then this is the gorgeous box that your set will arrive in. To make sure it blends perfectly with your natural hair, all of our sets come with a Look at Me weft, which you can use to check the shade and length before opening the rest of your set. As you can see, this is a perfect match, so Shannon is going to open up the rest of her set and clip in the wefts. To start, you want to take a section at the nape of your neck and clip in your 2-clip weft. Just above that, you want to take another section and clip in your first 3-clip weft. Take another section and clip in your 3-clip weft. Next, you want to take a section at the widest point of your head around mid-ear level and clip in your super thick volumizer weft. Next, you can clip in your two-clip wefts on either side. If you have layers around your face, you can clip these in on an angle going upwards towards your face for a totally seamless blend. And lastly, you want to clip in your two 1-clip wefts to seamlessly blend the hair around your face. As you guys can see, they've given Shannon a really natural finished look, and this is without any heat styling. To show you how versatile the Superior set can be, Shannon is going to style them into our signature Milk and Blush waves. If this isn't your vibe, then be sure to check out our other videos for loads of gorgeous looks that you can create using your Milk and Blush hair extensions. And this is the finished look. This set is so gorgeous and seamlessly blends into Shannon's hair. If you need any more advice or tips on the Superior set, then be sure to let us know in the comments, as we'd be happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks so much for watching.